Hi friends, this is a three brain puzzles. So they are in the different like the standard and the modern things. So they are different type of puzzle sets. This puzzle is like of solid metal, and these are the solutions. So it's pretty good. So you have to solve this to take this like separate thing. So you have to solve one by one, and there is a one location where this will be separated, and you have to solve this. So for the kids also, it's a good challenge for them. Even I think it's for adults, because I feel pretty much think that I have to think and put some time to solve it. And as is metal, it's pretty of nice quality and heavy quality, so that it will not break like while trying different things. So it's nice like for the kids to solve it, like the keys and the stuff. You have to unlock this one, and I don't know, so you have to put in your solution. The good thing is solutions are here, so you can use that to solve these puzzles and get used to it.